everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's time for another Plan with Vivi. This week we are planning week 1 of 2018 in my new Erin Condren LifePlanner. I am using a vertical format in the neutral color scheme, and I am excited because this is the first time I have a neutral planner, and so I don't have the headers, I don't have the colorful background up here at the top, and I'm really looking forward to planning in this. And so it might take me a while, bear with me, but we're gonna get this done. So the kit that I picked out, of course, is another Planning Choco kit. I know, I can't help it. Her kits are so cute, so cute. And when I saw this one, I'm like, this is perfect, because since I'm using a neutral for the first time, I figured this color scheme just went perfectly with it. And so let me show it to you. It is called Happy New Year, and look at this. Look at these full boxes here. They are so vibrant and colorful. I love them. And they've got that faux glitter, which I love so much. And we've got those nice full heart checklist, and the appointment boxes are so cute. We have our headers, our little things, our half boxes right here, our habit trackers, our Hello Weekend. Then we've got our icons, page flags, heart checklist, stackable sidebars, our sticker-like washi. Look at how cute this is. Look at the girls with the red bottom heels. Come on. Adorable. I am loving it. I'm liking the way she's doing the sticker washi right here without the little white space in between. It is so adorbs. And then we've got our deco sheet. We got our script icons, our glitter headers, our date covers, and then some extra little dots right here. So let's get to planning this thing out. I am excited. Let me tell you, so excited. Okay, let's get started. so here is the final spread for week 1. In my neutral planner, I think it came out really cute. I used some of the Stardust Jelly Roll pens. Let me see, where are they? To kind of do the highlighting on this page, I have the red, gold, and this new one that I got is clear. And I use that to kind of do the little accents on here. And especially on this sticker, I used a lot of this. Of course, I used the clear one on this black dress here to kind of give it that little shimmery glitter effect. I also used it in the hair, right here in the bow. Then I used the gold one in the blonde hair and the gold dress, and the red in the red dress, and to do the accents on this reddish toned hair right there. I also used the gold glitter in the champagne glasses here to kind of give it a little effect of being, you know, holiday and kind of festive. So that is the spread for this week. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos on my channel, and that's it. Take care of you. Happy planning, and bye.